What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. And today, Thursday, June 5th, we have the flash deals for the week here at Costco. A little late, but better late than never. Now, a lot of deals in today's video do expire Sunday, June 8th, but that's okay. You still have a couple more days to get out there and make your purchases. Now, let's not waste any time and get on with the video. And just give me one moment, let me park my car. I do want to announce the giveaway does end in 21 hours, so make sure you pause the video, click the link in the comments section, enter that giveaway. It's absolutely free. If you do want some extra additional entries, make sure you watch yesterday's Amazon video. You have a secret code in that video, which will give you an additional 5 entries. And starting the video off in the number 1 spot from Samsung, we have their 5.1 channel soundbar, has DTS and a wireless subwoofer, also has a nice adaptive sound, which is pretty sweet, and a game mode as well. The subwoofer has great bass, powerful boom, which everyone loves, and today we have a pretty nice discount at 33% savings. That's $100 off the tag, not bad at all. If you're in the market for a soundbar, definitely check this one out. It's $199.99. And moving on to the number 2 spot from HP, we have their OfficeJet Pro, the 8138E. It's their wireless all-in-one desktop printer. Now, it does come with 6 months of instant ink with HP Plus. Now, everybody knows by now I'm not a huge HP fan, but the price is not too bad, $65 off. Now, you can print up to 10 pages per minute in color and 20 pages per minute in black. You can scan, copy, fax, has the auto 2-side printing as well. Check out that price after $65 off the price, bringing it down to $124.99. In the number 3 spot, if you're in the market for a new router, definitely check this one out from TP-Link. Now, this is their Wi-Fi 7 router. It's tri-band whole home mesh system. It does come in a 3-pack, so if you have a very large home, you may need this. Stop paying for those monthly rental fees from your internet provider and buy your own router. Save some money. Now, definitely this one's a little bit on the pricier side, but you don't have to buy this one. This is a nice one. You could buy one a little bit less expensive, or maybe one on clearance, even better. But this one's currently on sale, $50 off the price, $349.99. In the number 4 spot, this time from OmniBreeze, we have their tower fan. Pretty sweet looking fan, I gotta admit. I was playing around with it the other day, and I kind of like it. 38 inches in height, it does sit pretty high, has that internal oscillation, which is great. It does come with a remote control, a digital display, has 4 different speeds with 4 different breeze modes, which is fantastic, and it covers up to 200 square feet. Not bad at all. And today, a great discount at $10 off the price, bringing it down to $29.99. And let's not forget about the pasta currently on sale. We have the Barilla pasta. We have the variety pack on sale. We also have the penne and the spaghetti. Now, it does seem like the variety pack is the hot seller here. 7 boxes, so you get 7 pounds. You get elbows, rotini. Check out that price. $2 off, $7.49. Each box of pasta is 1 pound. So right in front of us, we have 8 boxes of penne. So that's 8 pounds. They're giving us a great discount on this one as well. $2.50 off the penne, $7.99. And then finally, to my left, we have 8 boxes of spaghetti. So that means 8 pounds total here. A great buy also. This is $2 off, bringing the price down to $7.99. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, friends, and you do enjoy this type of content, hit that thumbs up button, support the channel. I am approaching my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube, and I've been very consistent, anywhere from 3 to 5 videos a week. Obviously, except for last week, I was refinishing my hardwood floors at my house, so I wasn't able to make any videos. And right in front of us, we have the naturally fermented kimchi. This stuff is awesome for your gut bacteria. It does improve your gut health, and improving your gut health will boost your immunity. Always check out the expiration date. 10 calories per serving, 2 carbs, less than 1 gram of sugar and protein. Also, a lot of people like to use this for weight management as well, and it's great for your heart health. It's on sale currently, $2 off the price, bringing it down to $6.99. Yes, it is an acquired taste, so try it out. Let me know if you like it. If you do have it already, let me know in the comments section. And next up from Kevin's, we have their cilantro lime chicken. Now this one is from Costco's coupon book. I did add it in here. 160 calories per serving, 3 carbs, and no added sugar, and 20 grams of protein. Pretty awesome macros, and the ingredients are awesome as well. $3.50 off the price, bringing it down to $9.99. We also have the seaweed salad on sale. This stuff is also fantastic for your gut health, aids in the digestion, and it also helps your thyroid function as well. Ready to eat, you just open up and eat it. And here we're looking at 1.75 pounds, 1 3/4, 110 calories per serving, 12 carbs, and 4 grams of protein. This stuff is great for your gut health. And today we're getting a pretty good discount at $3 off the price, $7.99. And since we're here, I might as well show you the Amy Lou's. This is the chicken burgers. Now, one of my viewers told me these were amazing, and they were definitely right. These are pretty awesome. 19 grams of protein per serving. They're caramelized onion and aged white cheddar. These are pretty amazing. 170 calories per serving, 3 carbs, 1 gram of added sugar, and 19 grams of protein. Packed with protein, can't complain about that. From Amy Lou, organic, the ingredients are awesome. $4 off the price, only $10.99. That one's from Costco's coupon book as well. We also have the Crunch Master right in front of us. Now these are made with olive oil, 6 seed as you can see there, no artificial colors or flavors, has omega-3s, and now these are pretty awesome as well. Very crunchy. I love a nice crunch, 130 calories per serving, 22 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of protein. These are also on sale as well. And you do get a total of 28 ounces per package here. They're taking $3.30 off the price, bringing that down to $7.69. And what do we got here? The new Suncast, a barn door storage shed. Now this does look pretty sweet. A nice discount too. Plenty of room. This is 8 feet by 7 feet. It's a good amount of room. Plenty of storage space here. Not bad at all. I love these storage sheds. These are pretty awesome looking. Now the price is just right at this price point. It does look fantastic. I love the extra texture. Now these are pretty sweet. Now the only problem is they're heavy. So if you don't have manpower and you don't have a truck, just order it at Costco.com. Save your back. You can have it shipped to your house. Online, you can get it for $9.49. Here at the warehouse on sale, $7.99. So you might as well spend the extra $150 and get it shipped right to your front door. And here we have the variety pack of Kind bars. We have 10 dark chocolate nuts, 6 peanut butter dark chocolate, and then 6 caramel almond. When it comes to nuts, they always range about 200 calories per serving. But let's check out these macros. Let's have a look at the added sugar. Now let's see. The dark chocolate nuts, that has 4 grams of added sugar. The peanut butter dark chocolate, that has 8 grams of added sugar. And then the almond one has 4 grams of added sugar. So the dark chocolate peanut butter, 8 grams, that's the winner. $4.50 off the price, $12.99. And we also have the President feta cheese on sale. Let's go have a look at that. Right in front of us from President, we have their feta cheese, their crumble feta cheese. That's the bonus part about it. If you're in a rush, you're going to love this stuff. I'm not a huge fan of the President feta cheese. I prefer the Kirkland brand a lot better. Now this one's not bad. 70 calories per serving, no carbs, 4 grams of added protein. Now what's nice about it, it's already crumbled. This is a 24-ounce container of feta cheese, $2.40 off the price, bringing it down to $4.99. Now let me show you the feta cheese that I do like. Now this one is a Kirkland signature product. It's a product of Greece, has the stamp of origin, organic feta cheese. It's kosher. It's made 100% with sheep's milk. It's absolutely delicious, creamy. It's soaked in that brine. $13.49. Now I did grab one of these Orvis men's tech hats. It was super hot out here in Boston, 95 degrees. So I grabbed one of these. These are awesome. I look like a goofball in it, but they definitely work. We have the tan, we have the green. They're UPF 50. They definitely help keep the sun under your face, cool you down a little bit. Just yesterday, a couple days ago, I had to put the heat on. Today, it's 95 degrees. That's the weather out here in Boston. One day it's cold, the next day it's scorching hot. But these hats are super awesome. They have a quick dry material. They have mesh panels for ventilation. $3 off the price, only $9.99. You can grab this at Costco online for $11.99. And you compare that hat up with these short sleeve t-shirts from 32 Degrees. These are the short sleeve crew neck t-shirts. Now these are pretty nice. They come in a 3-pack, 2 different color variations. We have the white and we have the black, from small all the way up to 2XL. To my right, we have the Kirkland signature men's crew neck t-shirts. Now I do prefer those a lot more. Those are 100% cotton. They come in a 6-pack. I like the way they fit. They feel good. Now these from 32 Degrees, they're taking $3 off the price. They come in a 3-pack, $9.99. And next up from Mohawk, we have their all-purpose rubber floor mat. It's 36 by 48, so it is a very good size. It's super heavy duty, so it does weigh a good amount. Recycled rubber made from recycled tires. You can cut it to size or you can buy multiple of them. Put them in the gym if you'd like. Now these are super thick, very durable. They're actually a half an inch thick, so that's pretty awesome. Now it's made from recycled tires, as I mentioned. $3 off the price, $15.99. And here we have the Gourmet. I just showed this in my video the other day. This is the new air fryer. It's an 11 quart, so it does have a lot of volume. This is their dual air fryer basket. It has that smart finish, a 4-layer cooking, has 8 one-touch functions. You can air fry, you can bake, you can broil in it, so much more. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the design. I felt like it was a little bit cheaply made, in my opinion, but it does have that 4-layer cooking. You can use racks to cook 4 dishes at once. A lot of people like it so far, some decent reviews online, but me personally, for the price, I think you can do a lot better. $99.99. Now, I do like this item from Green Pan. This is their superior 5-quart stainless steel saute pan. It does have a nice finish to it, has a nice build quality. This is their professional grade 3-ply construction, features 2-layer of stainless steel with an aluminum core. If you're not cooking with stainless steel, definitely try it out. Try it on this pan. It's not too much money. Learn how to cook with it. You're going to love it. The flavors are so much better. It's a lot healthier for you. I do like this pan a lot, and the price is not bad at all. Definitely try it out. It's only $24.99. They are giving us a nice discount today. $10 off the price. How can you complain about that? Bringing it down to $24.99. And if you're looking for an inexpensive laptop, you don't want to spend too much money, you don't want to buy an iPad or a MacBook, you want something cheap, check this one out from Acer. This is their Chromebook Plus, their 14-inch touchscreen laptop, has Google AI, even has an Intel Core i3 processor, 1920 by 1080p resolution, so it is full HD. 8 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig solid state hard drive. The RAM in the hard drive is equivalent to a MacBook. That's pretty impressive. Now it does have a built-in web camera. Now look at the price. That's pretty awesome. $110 off. It's only $239.99. And this one is just a heads up for the ladies. We have the Puma court sneakers. I know a lot of warehouses sold out of the court sneakers. It's also available online. $5 off the price, $26.99. Pretty sweet shoes for the price. Now it does qualify for the mix and match as well, so keep that in mind. And let me just quickly show you the Yard Street gazebo. This one's 12 by 14, now shipped right to your front door. That's pretty sweet. $300 off the price. Now 100% FSC certified wood. Obviously you do have to assemble it, but you can figure that out. Assembly is required. $300 off the price, $1,699.99. And when it comes to Costco, I know a lot of people, they don't think gift cards, but Costco does have some pretty amazing deal when it comes to gift cards. Now this one in particular from Uber, I like it a lot. Why? Because you can do Uber or Uber Eats and you get two $50 gift cards. So you can split them up if you like. It's only $74.99. You get $100 worth of gift cards. What I like about it, even if you're not a gift card type of person, you can give it away to a loved one. You can give it away as a present, and they're going to have this in their wallet or their bag. And there's no excuse for drinking and driving. Then one day they're going to pull it out and they're going to use it. They're going to have it on hand. They're going to say, hey, I have this gift card. Let me grab an Uber. And there you go. And let's head back to the warehouse, this time from BCNY. We do have their handcrafted. These are their stoneware vases. Now the reviews on them are pretty decent, not too bad at all. Now they come in a 3-pack here. We have 2 different color variations to choose from. We have the black on my right, we have the white on my left. Those are on display. These are pretty nice. Now if you like this type of thing, you're going to love these. These are handcrafted. They come in a 3-piece. They have the nice watertight seal to them. Now these are perfect accent vases. You can throw them on your mantle. You can put them on your tabletops, your shelves, you name it. Now they're pretty nice. I'm not too crazy about them personally, but they have a good price on them. $6 off, only $20.99. And here we have a nice premium solar sunshade. This comes in a 3-piece set. This is pretty nice, great for your car. Now it comes in 3 pieces. You got one for the front windshield, and then you got 2 side shades as well. So a nice 3-piece set here, and the price is not too bad as well. Now I do like this. Definitely helps keeps the sun out. It's a nice UV blocker, reflects the heat and glare. Also has a nice reversible design as well. As you can see there, it does include 2 side shades as well. Pretty nice set here, a 3-piece set. And look at that price, it's even better. $4 off the price, only $11.99. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed today's video and you're already subscribed and you want to support me, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Why not? Now, friends, do not forget about the giveaway one more time. Link will be in the comment section. Click that link, enter the giveaway. Watch yesterday's Amazon video for that secret code where you can get an additional 5 entries. And for tomorrow's videos, friends, as usual, Costco Clearance Fridays. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be an exciting video. Get out there and buy them clearance products. Look for those 97s. If you enjoyed today's video, once again, hit that thumbs up button, friends. I do appreciate it. Thank you for the support. I'll see you tomorrow with a new Costco clearance video. Hopefully, next week, I'll sneak in a Sam's Club video and maybe a Lowe's video for this weekend. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Peace.